Looks better. I think I should put the flashlight to see how I did my nails. Right. Oh no, it looks so ugly. Be quiet, Elsia. Anya's sleeping. I better wipe them all up. A little bit sleepy. And a cat wanted to eat food and it was fuzzy and...